Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be whacking a brand spanking new set of terrain tamer glow plugs in the 105 series. I'm doing that today because, well, we're in the middle of winter now and the Cruiser's a little hard to start in the morning. And by that I mean it'll take a few glows to start in the morning and there'll still be misfires and white smoke. So yeah, I'm pretty confident that we're in for a new set of glow plugs. So we're going to do that today. We're going to test the old ones and see if there's any that are faulty, and yeah, whack 6 new glow plugs in the 1HZ. So let's get into it. Obviously make sure you've got access to the glow plugs. I had to take my top mount intercooler and manifold adapter out the way. If you're naturally aspirated or don't have an intercooler, maybe you've got some pipe to take out the way, whatever. And then you'll be taking these little insulator caps off of the top of the glow plugs. Once you've done that, you can take the main power off the buzz bar, which is at the back, like near the firewall. Go and loosen all those nuts and take the buzz bar off. Because there's no power to the glow plugs because the key's off, we don't have to worry about taking the battery terminals off this time. Quite a simple way to test glow plugs is you want to hook the test light up to positive, check it by putting it on the negative terminal. Cheap and easy way. So now we want to test the continuity because obviously the block is earthed out and the head's earthed out, and we want to test that there is an earth at the top of each of these glow plugs. So you can go and put the test light on. First one, nothing. Second one, we got an earth there, that's good. Third one, yep, good. Fourth, earth there. 5, nothing. And 6, way back there, we got nothing there as well. So that's 3 out of 6 glow plugs that are actually functional. So half of the glow plugs aren't working, and that's why we will be replacing them today. I've gone and bought 6, so we might as well chuck 6 fresh ones in there. Bit of CRC, then we can crack all of them loose, wind them out. Be very careful not to snap these off in the head or have anything fall down inside the combustion chamber, because that'd be a bit of a mess. With the old glow plugs out, it's a good idea to just inspect them against the new ones and make sure that the threads are the same length and that the overall glow plug is obviously the same length. You don't want it to be too long or too short. These are obviously pretty good glow plugs. They're made in Japan. That's always a good thing. I'm going to put a little bit of this copper grease on the threads of the glow plugs before they go in, just to make them nice and easy to pull out next time. I probably should be wearing gloves here, but, well, I'm not. Just do those glow plugs up till they're nice and firm and then give them a little bit of a nip up. They definitely don't need to be overly tight. Give the buzz bar a bit of a nip up here with the wire brush to make sure that the contacts are all nice and clean, and we can just go and put that all back together. So there you have it, everyone. It was a good thing we went and checked because 3 of the glow plugs were buggered, which means that it was only warming up 3 cylinders in the morning, which is not great on a freezing cold morning. So I hope you learned something from this video today. It was really just me having a go and yeah, just showing you how I did it. So whether all that's right or wrong, I don't know, but it was pretty easy. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please remember to share this with your mates, and I'll catch you in the next video.